Dean Birchall, Contracts Manager at Roadmender Asphalt. We're here today to show our safe systems of work. At Roadmender Asphalt, this is our mandatory safety PPE, hard hat, safety glasses, long sleeve, flame retardant high vis, gloves, flame retardant trousers with safety boots, steel toe cap boots. Our mandatory PPE when loading the boiler and discharging the material is hard hat with a safety face visor, long sleeve high vis top, safety gauntlets, long sleeve trousers and steel toe cap safety boots. Always carry first aid kit, eye wash, small burns kit, 2 powder, fire extinguishers and an oil spill kit. The Mastic is a very hot material. This is a temperature reader of the material, not the boiler. The material wants to be heated up to 200 degrees, no more than that, because it can carbonize the material. When opening the boiler lid, always lift the lid, allow the steam to escape for at least 10 seconds. Never directly look into the boiler. Never overheat the material, as when opening the boiler lid, you can get a flashback. Never leave the Mastic boiler unattended when it's in operation, and always wear your full PPE regardless of your job or role. Never stand directly in front of the chute, especially when it's loaded, and only ever open the chute halfway. Never keep fuels or flammable liquids anywhere near the boiler or the tool heater. You need cones and barrier tape or barriers to keep any unauthorized personnel out of the work zone. Always display hot work signs around the vehicle and in the immediate work zone.
The setting out of a give-take traffic management setup accordance to Chapter 8 of the Red Book when using the Mastic and Mastic boiler on site. Firstly, men at work sign, followed by road narrows, cones for your tapers at both ends and along the full length of the site. A hot works sign must be displayed at both ends, directional arrows and barriers to stop anybody entering the site unauthorized. This must be repeated at the far end.
Once the material is up to the desired temperature of 200 degrees, the built-in preset thermostat will shut the burner down. It is important to keep checking the temperature with the supplied temperature gun to ensure that the material does not go above its desired temperature, or in the case of a malfunction. If you have multiple loads to put in the mixer, we would recommend that you bring the boiler down to at least halfway and retop up the machine with Mastic. That way it speeds up the heating time. Even with the Mastic burner turned off, the material will still increase in temperature. This is something to be wary of. Always wear a hard hat, face protection and gauntlets when working around the tool heater. Always keep a safe distance and never stand directly in front of the tool heater when you're lighting the tool heater. If there's any sign of damage to the tool heater or the braided hose at the back, please report it or replace it immediately. Take care when removing tools from the tool heater as they may be hot. Daily check sheet for the trailer. This must be completed every morning before you take the trailer out. Firstly, a general check for any damage. Check that the wheel nut indicators are aligned. Check the condition of the wheels and tyres. Make sure you've obviously got no buckles in your rims, no nails, metals, anything that's going to give you a puncture. Check the tyre walls as well. Obviously check how much tread is on the tyre itself. Then we go round to the towing lights. So you'd have to obviously connect this up to your vehicle, get someone to help you, go through the sequence, checking your brake lights, left indicator, right indicator, and side lights. Check that the trailer hitch, all the safety pins are all okay. Check the breakaway cable is attached correctly. Check the number plate on the trailer itself is correct with the vehicle that you're towing. And check the spare wheel is attached. Again, checking that that's in good working order. The towing vehicle, in addition to required daily checks, check it's suitable and adequate for the purpose. It can tow the right weights for the boiler. Check the towing hitch and electrics all in good working order.